The Dyson V6 flashing red light is a common problem that indicates your vacuum needs attention. Understanding what causes this red light will help you identify the right solution. When you see the red light flashing on your Dyson V6, it's the vacuum's way of telling you there's a problem that needs to be fixed before you can continue using it effectively. There are three main causes for the red flashing light: battery problems, filter issues, and motor obstructions. Each of these components plays a crucial role in your vacuum's operation. The most common cause is battery failure. Since the Dyson V6 is an older model, many units are now experiencing battery problems. Dyson V6 batteries typically last around 2 years with regular use. Filter problems are another common cause. A dirty or clogged filter restricts airflow, causing the vacuum to work harder and potentially trigger the red light warning. Motor issues, including obstructions in the brush head or electrical problems, can also cause the red light. Hair, debris, or damaged components in the motor assembly may prevent proper operation. Regular maintenance and timely battery replacement are crucial for preventing the red light issue. Understanding these common causes helps you identify the right solution and keep your Dyson V6 running effectively. First, check the battery connection. Ensure your charger is securely plugged in and the charging port is free of debris. If charging doesn't work, try resetting the battery. Remove the battery, hold the reset button for 10 seconds, then reinsert it. For older batteries, replacement may be necessary. Both Dyson Original and third-party batteries are effective solutions. Next, inspect and clean the filter. A dirty filter can cause performance issues and trigger the red light. Allow the filter to dry completely for at least 24 hours before refitting. Clean monthly or more often if vacuuming fine dust. Check for blockages in the hose, wand, brush bar, and bin inlet. Remove any debris that could restrict airflow. Pay special attention to the brush bar. Remove hair and debris that can wrap around the bristles and cause motor strain. Clean the motor head and electrical contacts. Remove any hair or debris and ensure all connections are secure. Finally, recalibrate the battery by fully discharging and recharging it several times. This helps restore proper battery function. To prevent future issues, avoid overusing max mode, don't leave the vacuum unused for long periods, and keep it away from extreme heat. Following these troubleshooting steps should resolve most Dyson V6 red light issues and keep your vacuum running efficiently.